Okay, so let's go through today's command. On number one, there's the command uptime, which shows you your system's current uptime. As you can see, my system here has been up for 1 day and 16 minutes. The next command is the free command, which shows you the memory and scrap usage of your system. You can also add -h so that the information is more human friendly instead of a bunch of figures that doesn't make sense. And for number 3, there's the command ls usb, which shows you the list of USB devices that are connected to a device. And then next, there's the whereis command. Let's just say you wanted to find the location of a binary of a given command. Let's say, for example, it's the ls command, and you want to know which executable is being executed when I call the ls command. This is where the whereis command comes handy. So just have to add the command name like this, so it doesn't just show you the location of the binaries or executables, but it shows you the source directories and the manual pages directories. However, if you just want to view the executable directory, you just have to type the which command followed by the command in question. In our case, it's the ls command. Okay, so for the next command, there's the whoami command, which shows you the current logged in user. In this case, it's a weird username. And last but not least, there's the uname followed by the -m command, which shows you your system's architecture. And remember, if you always want to know what more a command can do, you can type the command name followed by -- and then help, which shows you more options. Okay, so this concludes this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe in order to receive more videos on your favorite environment Termux. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below and tell me what are your favorite commands. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. This is Black Generation signing out.